Yes.
Ms. Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item 16, part 2 hearing.
1-6.
Hearing, first item, Lordship. I'm for the petitioner here in this petition, Lordship.
Okay.
Lordship, I have some personal difficulties today. So maybe that this may be listed next week.
You are Mr.
Wati Jamir.
Wati Jamir. Heard Mr. Wati Jamir for the petitioner who prays for a week's time, who prays that the matter be listed after a week. Prayer allowed, list the matter after 1 week.
On Thursday next, Lordship. Thursday.
List the matter on, what is Thursday? 21st? No, 28th. Sorry, 21st.
21st,
On 21st of August 2025. Yes.
My please, Lordship. Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of S. Temja. I want to mention item number 18.
18, 1-8.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm appearing on behalf of S. Temja, counsel for the petitioner. The counsel is out of session, so can you list the matter after 3 weeks? I've taken the consent of the opposite party also.
With the consent of the respondents, a mention is made on behalf of Mr. S. Temchan, the counsel for the petitioner, to have the matter listed after 3 weeks. List the matter after 3 weeks. Yes.
My pleasure, Lordship. I beg to mention item number 8.
8.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay.
Here, on the last occasion, that is on 18/7/2025, I was directed to file an implement for implement of new government, that is respondent number 4. So accordingly, I filed the amendment application, and then I'm yet to take steps upon respondent 4 through recidivity. So,
Has the implement been allowed?
Lordship, on
Implement has
18/7/2025,
It has been allowed.
Lordship.
So you need some time to take steps on the newly implemented.
Yes, upon respondent 4.
You are Mr.
Sapongwati.
Mr. S. Walling, counsel for the petitioner, prays for 3 weeks.
Lordship.
3 weeks time to take steps on the newly implemented respondent.
Number 4.
Number 4, prayer is allowed. List the matter after 3 weeks.
Lordship.
Yeah, please, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 20 from the supplementary cost list. Yes, it is in the motion.
Yes.
Lordship, here the leading counsel, Minal Kalita, due to some medical emergency within the family, he had to travel back to Gauhati yesterday. So I believe this matter can come up on Monday, next week.
On the prayer made on behalf of Mr. M. Kalita, list this matter after?
Next Monday, Your Lordship.
List this matter on 18/8/2025.
Much obliged, Lordship.
May it please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
I beg to mention hearing item number 17.
17.
I'm praying on behalf of my senior L. Iralu.
Okay.
My senior, they have family medical emergency. Can you listen matter after 4 weeks?
A prayer is made on behalf of Mr. L. Iralu that he is indisposed today and therefore to list the matter after
4 weeks.
4 weeks.
Lordship, there's an interim.
Prayer allowed, list the matter after 4 weeks. Interim order, if any, shall continue.
I have
What's all that?
similar prayer for item number 6 and 7. I've taken the consent of the other party.
Same order, you keep the same order.
After 1 week,
Usko not 4 weeks, you make it 1 week. For item number 6 and 7. Okay.
1 week.
After 1 week, not 4 weeks.
Much obliged.
Yes.
for motion, item number 1.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, this is a joint petition filed under section 482 CRPC, praying for quashing of FIR and criminal proceedings. Lordship, here, the alleged accused, that is the petitioner number 1 and 2, was charged under section
Where is your FIR?
457.
Where is your FIR, sir?
FIR is annexed in page 11.
Page
11.
11.
Annexure A.
Yes. And where is the order? Where is the FIR as such?
FIR is in page 11.
No. Okay, page 11 is
Annexure A.
annexure A.
Yes, Lordship.
This is the format.
Yes.
Then you come to page 12, para 12, first information contents, FIR attached in separate sheet. Where is the FIR, sir? I have to read the contents of the FIR if I have to exercise any power under. Huh? You have filed your bail petition order, you have filed your charge sheet. Where is the FIR? Some mistake?
Page number 2, it's in
Huh?
page 11, Lordship. Annexure A, page
Okay,
11.
read the FIR.
There is no, this is a FIR given by the police, Lordship.
No, I must be. What did the police write in the FIR is what I'm trying to read, sir. They must have written so and so caught, so and so we did this, then we got information. Something written. Where is it?
Lordship, I have not annexed it, Lordship.
You don't give me the FIR, anything I'm going to interfere in. Huh?
Lordship, here,
This is under 482.
482, Lordship.
482.
Yes, Lordship.
When can I interfere in 482? Can you tell me?
Lordship, here, there is a compromise between both the parties, amicable settlement between both the parties.
Where is the settlement?
Annexure D, page number 17 and 18, Lordship. Lordship, here, the alleged accused, both the alleged accused and the complainant has amicably settled between both the parties. And
Thing is, unless you give me a copy of the FIR, what the police had given, let us see. Come to page 15. Yeah, you see, page 15, read. Please read page 15. Annexure C. Yes. Please read. Are
Lordship,
we on the same page? Do you have the file with you, sir?
yes, Lordship, Lordship.
Page 15.
Lordship, page 15 is
What? The charge sheet.
court order, charge sheet. Charge
This is
sheet
the
is
charge
page
sheet.
16. Lordship.
Give him the file. I don't think we are on the same file. Give him the file. Please mark the FIR and please show him page 15 on my file. What is it?
Charge sheet, Lordship.
What did you say? You said it's an order.
Lordship,
So read page 15.
sure.
Read it.
This is a charge sheet number dated 21/9/2019.
Brief facts.
The brief facts of the case is that for prosecution on 18/8/2019, and there was a written complaint
Bus.
report.
Where is that written complaint report in the file?
Lordship, TC copy is with me, but then I have not annexed it.
So annex it. Before I can help you, you have to annex it. You do one thing, you file an additional affidavit, bring this on record. I'll have it listed on 19th.
Yes, sir.
If I have it listed on 19th,
Yes, sir.
you bring it on by an additional affidavit. Also look up the law, whether I can exercise 482 power when there is a compromise, but the offense alleged is not private but against the society. Theft is an offense against the society. Is it not? Trespass is some private wrong. When someone enters my house, I can say that he privately wronged me, I forgive him. We go for a compromise, FIR quashed. Another issue. But when the offense is against the society, theft, dacoity, rape, murder, can we still interfere? Come back with the law. We'll ask the PP, maybe we'll help you. But I need that FIR before I can proceed. On the prayer of the learned counsel for the petitioner, list this matter again on, when can you do it? 19th? Tuesday? You'll have the affidavit?
Yes, sir.
You can file it by Monday?
Yes, sir.
Okay. List this matter on 19/8/2025 to enable him to bring on record the FIR lodged by Abdul Rahim on 18/8/2019. Once that comes on record, then we'll see what we can do.
For motion, item number 2.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes, Mr. Devnath.
Lordship, this I come on the other day, but
Yes.
due to some confusion, it was again listed today, my Lord. Lordship, as it has come for the first time, and Lordship may issue a notice upon the respondents for service. So also, as Your Lordship has pointed out on the other day to me, at paragraph number 6 of IA 150, my Lord, Lordship, if I may be allowed to place an additional affidavit with regard to the dates, with the leave of this Honorable Court.
Then what you have to do is you have to first file an additional affidavit, then if we are satisfied, we issue notice.
Lordship.
Heard Mr. V. Devnath for the applicants, full stop. This is an application praying for condonation of delay of 761 days in filing the MSc appeal with regard to the judgment and order dated 10/4/2023 passed by the learned member MSCT Tuensang Nagaland in MSc case number 3 of 2022. Stop. The learned counsel for the applicant prays for a week's time.
Lordship, can it be 2 weeks, Lordship? Because the company do not have any branch in Dimapur. It has a branch office in Gauhati, Lordship.
Okay. Prays for 2 weeks' time to file an additional affidavit to explain the delay more specifically. Full stop. Prayer is allowed. List the matter after 2 weeks on. You want a fixed date?
Lordship, a date may be fixed, Lordship. Any date within 2 weeks, Lordship.
14, then 21, 28. 29th, 1st. What do you want? 1st of September?
Lordship, within 2 weeks, Lordship. Not after that. Within a period of 2 weeks, Lordship.
Then you make it, he prays for 10 days time. If you are
Lordship.
2 weeks for filing the affidavit, I have to fix it after that. I'll give you 10 days time.
Lordship.
10 days time to list the matter on 26th.
Lordship.
26th?
Yes, Lordship.
26th of August 2025.
For motion, item number 3.
Lordship, similar order can pass, Lordship, in item number 3.
Order the date of the judgment and the MSC case number are same.
No, Lordship. Date is different, Lordship. It is impugn judgment in order dated 25/7/2024.
Impugn judgment 25/7/2024 in MSC appeal number.
Lordship, in MSC case number.
In MSC case number.
Lordship, MSC case number 38 of 2022.
Passed by.
Passed by MSCT Twensang.
Rest remains the same. 10 days time and listed on 26th. Yes. Next.
For motion from the supplementary cost list, item number 21.
Bail application.
May I please, Your Lordship? My Lord, this is a bail application under Section 480 BNSS Act
Yes.
for release of the accused persons on bail. My Lord, the accused persons, they were arrested on 15 July 2025. The charges against them is under Section 314 and 318, Your Lordship.
Allegation of misappropriation of funds and non-tailing of accounts, approximate amount around rupees 14 lakhs. They've been arrested? They're under
Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, the facts of the case is that first complaint was filed and they were released on BR bond. And after a stay of 5 days, another complaint was filed by the same complainant on the same issue and they were arrested.
Where is the first complaint?
First complaint, Your Lordship,
Page 15.
page 15, Your Lordship.
Okay. And where is the second complaint?
Second complaint, it's in page 24, Your Lordship.
24.
24, Annexure 4. Your Lordship, this is on the same issue, that is misappropriation of funds in the petrol pump, Your Lordship.
Why was your bill rejected?
The order was issued on 8, that is in Annexure 6, page 30, Your Lordship. The order was rejected on 8/8/2025.
Yes, we'll call for the CD.
Okay, my lord.
We'll call for the
Yes,
CD.
my
How
lord,
soon
yes.
can you get it?
So, Madam, Your Lordship.
Where is it? From where?
Madam, we release
It's
on
in
Friday,
Kohima.
my lord.
It's in Kohima, Your Lordship, the case.
Kohima itself.
Yeah.
Let the matter come up on 21, my lord. Friday.
See, on this order which rejected the bail is of 8th of August. We'll need more time. We'll have it on Friday.
Yes, my lord.
22nd.
21st.
Friday is 22nd, if I'm not wrong.
Yes, 22nd, my lord. Yes, 22nd.
You have to tell me why you need the custodial. Why do you need them in custody? You have to tell me that also.
Yes, my lord.
When I'm considering the petition finally, you have to tell me why you need the custodial, why you need them in custody.
Okay.
Only reason that they are from outside the state cannot be a ground that they should be in custody all the while.
Yes.
Matter of accounts it appears. So accounts would be all in books. Why do you need their custody?
So, yes.
All right, heard you are
Miss Asangla Wali.
Miss Asangla Waling, who appears for the petitioners. This is an application under section 480 of the BNSS 2023. Praying for bail in GR number 181 of 2025 relating to KMA within bracket SPS case number 0015 of 2025. You take it from page 2. I'm marking it A to A, huh? I'm marking it A to A. You take down from there. Okay. It is submitted that the accused were arrested on
15th
on 15th of July 2025 and have been in custody since then. The bail petition preferred before the court of the Chief Judicial Magistrate was rejected on 8/8/2025. Mr. So-and-so, Lord PP appears for the state. Call for the CD. List the matter on 22nd of August 2025 for consideration. Get the updated CD. Don't get me something from 8th or 9th. Tell them to send an updated CD.
Yes.
We'll know the stage of investigation.
Yes, my lord. Okay.
Thank you.
Much okay.
Thank you.
For admission, item number 4.
Yes, item number 4, contempt.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, here on 9/5/2025, this Honorable Court has given direction to the respondent number 5, 6, and 7 to bring the status report regarding the payment of the errors to his respective 4 divisions. So,
Has it been paid?
not yet, Lordship.
Why?
Lordship, counsel for respondent number 5, 6, and 7.
Oh, I'm sorry, I thought you were, sorry. Yes, why not paid? Where is the order which is violated?
On 9/5/2025.
The order was passed on. This one at page 7. Is it the order on page 7?
No, Lordship,
Which is the order which is violated?
this Honorable Court Order 9/5/2025.
Sir, in
Lordship.
what is the order passed in the writ petition?
On 10/8/2023, the direction was passed to the respondents to pay the less drawn pay errors to the petitioners within a period of
4 months.
8.
Page 10, last line, 4
Lordship,
months.
Lordship, 4 months.
Then what happened?
The Lordship, due to non-payment of these errors by the respondent authority, I filed the contempt petition. And then now as many as more than 20 division has been paid. But then in your affidavit, they filed respondent 5, 6, and 7 affidavit. Paragraph 7, page 4. They have stated that 4 divisions they are yet to be paid.
Paragraph? What is
7,
this?
7 of affidavit of 5, 6, and 7. Paragraph 7, page 4.
So have you received, this instruction says in March you have sanctioned 46 lakhs 2,924. Have they received it?
My lord, this pertains to less drawn errors.
Arrears, yes.
Less drawn errors, which was deserving by the petitioners. Now, we have paid only four divisions was not made. And therefore, all the authority has been obtained and the ministry and the finance department. Now it will take some few time, maybe 2 weeks time.
The order is from, order is of 2024 or 2023. Why don't you move up application in the writ petition asking for extension of time? There is an order asking you to pay it within 4 months. Half done.
Well, take 3 more weeks. Lordship, allow me. So that
But this is an instruction of 13th of March 2025. You were requested to have further updated instructions.
right.
We are not happy.
Allow me 3 weeks time so that I can decide. If my friend agrees.
Yes.
Lordship, since the treasurer, they have sanctioned the amount, the only thing is that amount is been not been paid to the employees, that's all. So,
The treasury officer is creating the trouble. Who's creating the trouble?
no, the treasury have sanctioned the amount already. So maybe the divisions, respective divisions in charge, they might have.
They don't want to pay.
So,
No.
give some time if the, about to comply the honorable protection.
Heard, Mr. You are Mr.
Subhamati.
Wati, for the petitioners, counsel appearing for the respondent number 5, 6 and 7 prays for further 3 weeks time to comply with the orders of this court.
Correct.
In letter and spirit.
Correct.
We have noticed that by order dated 4/8/2025, this court had allowed the prayer to receive further instructions regarding the payment made to the petitioners. No such updated instructions are before this court. However, on the prayer of learned senior counsel, appearing for the respondent number 5, 6 and 7, one further opportunity is granted to the contemners, to the respondents, to ensure compliance of the orders of this court. List the matter again on, yes sir, give me a date.
After 2 weeks, my lord.
So that would be 21, 28, 4th, 9th of September. Is it good? On 9th of September 2025, by which time it is expected that compliance of the order of the court would be carried out, failing which appropriate orders will be passed. Thank you.
For admission, item number 5.
5. Yes, what do we have here?
May I please, Lord?
Yes, sir.
My lord, this bail application is being filed by the father of the accused, praying for release of his son Likau Tongo, accused number 3, who was arrested in connection with Dimapur East PS case number 87 of 24, corresponding with GR 281 of 2025, my lord. I'll just, with lordship permits me, I'll just read out a paragraph, short facts only. Paragraph 2, that the first bail application IN number 431 of 25 was rejected by the learned court of the Principal District and Session Judge Dimapur on 18/7/25 on the following grounds. A. The accused Likau Tongoy has participated in the crime as he was involved in the negotiation with the victim and other co-accused persons. B. That out of 5 accused persons, 3
You are reading from, sir? I'm
page
sorry?
3, my lord. Page 3.
of the
Page 3.
Yes.
Yes. May I read paragraph 2 then, my lord? Paragraph 2. That the first bail application IN number 431 of 25 was rejected by the learned court of the Principal District and Session Judge Dimapur on 18/07/25 on the following grounds. A. that the accused Likau Tongwe has participated in the crime as he was involved in the negotiation with the victim and the other co-accused persons. B, that out of 5 accused persons, 3 are yet to be arrested. And C, that the investigating agencies still have the liberty to sort for further police remand as per section 187 BNSS 2023. And next page, paragraph 3. Factual things, small facts, start from paragraph 3. That the short facts in hand is that on 4/6/25, one Mr. Pongsitung Langtang lodged a written complaint at the East Police Station, Dimapur, Nagaland, alleging that on 3/6/25 at around 3 p.m., 4 unidentified miscreants entered his business premises at Burma Camp, Dimapur, and forcibly took away the manager, Mr. Jaswant Kumar Tagore, on false and baseless allegations of selling expired goods in the shop. It was further alleged that manager was released upon payment of rupees 12 lakhs to the miscreants. My lord, NHB is the written FIR. May I read it? Page 15. Page 15.
The updated CD is available, madam?
We got the status report, Your Lordship.
Let us.
May I continue?
Yes, 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 sir.
Yes.
Please continue, sir.
Then may I read the FIR copy written?
Yes.
To the official in charge, East Police Station, Dimapur. Subject request for registration of FIR, kidnapping, criminal intimidation, and extortion. Sir, respected sir, I, Pongsitung Yangtang, son of so-and-so, would like to bring to your attention a serious incident that occurred on 3rd June 25 at around 3 p.m. A group of 4 unknown miscreants came to our office located at Burma Camp and forcibly took away our manager, Jaswant Kumar Tagore, on false and baseless allegations of selling expired goods. They claimed they only wanted to discuss the matter, but once Jaswant was in their custody, they held him at gunpoint, demanded 30 lakhs, and threatened and blackmailed him. He was also forced to record a false video confession under duress. Due to the life-threatening situation and under extreme pressure, I was compelled to pay 12 lakhs to the said individuals to ensure just one safe release. Only after receiving the money did they let him go. This is a clear case of kidnapping, extortion, and criminal intimidation. I kindly request you to register this complaint as an FIR and take immediate and appropriate action against the culprits involved. We are ready to cooperate fully with the investigation and can provide all necessary details, including phone numbers, transaction records, and witness accounts. This is submitted by the complainant. Now I come back to page 4. So in this FIR, in fact, no name has been revealed, of course. It is mentioned 4 miscreants, unidentified 4 miscreants. There, I was not there at the spot. I'll just read it out. Next, coming back to page 4, paragraph 4, my lord.
Yes.
Page 4, paragraph 4.
Yes.
Based on such written complaint,
Please read.
based on such written complaint, ESPS case number 87 of 25 was initially registered under section 4143/30823 and 5 of BNS 2023 for investigation. So this is the formal FIR.
Yes.
Yes. Then paragraph 5. That in connection with the above FIR case, the other alleged accused persons were arrested and taken into police custody when accused Likau Tongwe, it's me now, who was not for the purpose of thorough investigation. It appears that during the police interrogation, the other co-accused persons were put under duress and forced to make some false allegations against the accused Likau Tongwe. Based on such statement of other co-accused persons, the state police personnel started looking for accused Likau Tongoy, the present accused number 3. 6. That accused Mr. Likau Tongoy, after having come to know that the Dimapur police personnel were looking for him, he personally went to the East Police Station on 26/6/25 to clarify his position. On reaching the police station, the alleged accused person, Mr. Likau Tongoy, was placed under arrest without informing of the ground of arrest. This is my case. He was not even given a chance to explain the factual position justifying his innocence. My lordship, you will see the arrest memo, page 19, 20, 21, D, page 19.
Page 19.
Page 19. This is me with photo.
Yes.
So this is the arrest memo. Then page 20 continuation. Then page 21 continuation. Nowhere it is shown that I have been informed the ground of arrest, going by the arrest memo. Whereas in the case of other 4 accused, they have already formulated the ground of arrest. But in my case, it is not available on record. Now, my lord, coming back to paragraph 7, page 5. That the present accused, Mr. Likau Tongoy, has never gone to the office of the informant on 3/6/25 as alleged. Therefore, it is categorically denied that he has threatened Mr. Jaswant Singh at gunpoint. It is also totally false that Mr. Jaswant Tagore was released on payment of Rupees 12 lakhs. Allegedly, the amount has been paid to accused 1, Akato Awomi, which accused Likau has no knowledge. 8. That the above facts and circumstances reveal that the present alleged accused person had not participated in the commission of the crime as alleged. Then paragraph 9, my lord. 9, it will be little important. That the present accused, being an innocent victim in the present case, file a bail application IA number 184/25 under section 480 BNSS 2023 on 2/7/25 before the CGM Dimapur, praying for bail. However, when the matter was called for hearing, the learned CGM Dimapur informed the counsel for the accused that the investigating officer of the case had filed an application praying for alteration of the section from 140 subsection 3 to section 140 subsection 2 BNS 2023. The learned CGM Dimapur had informed the counsel of the present accused that necessary order had already been passed on 11/07/25, allowing the prayer of the IO. Hence, the bail application IA number 184 of 25 was allowed to withdraw with liberty to file afresh. May I just come down to paragraph 10? Para 10.
I've understood, yes, Madam PP.
No.
Apparently, apart from the other grounds,
Yes.
one of the best ground is you are not giving him the ground of arrest in the arrest memo.
Yes.
Can you show me from anywhere that he was told the ground of his arrest?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
I have informed Your Lordship regarding the ground of arrest, Your Lordship. I'm informed that he was informed, Your Lordship.
How?
Your Lordship, that's why I just actually, since I got only this one through WhatsApp only.
Yes.
So that record can also be called, Your Lordship. And here,
No, you see,
if you
the
can kindly-
arrest memo is here
Yes, Your Lordship.
at page 19.
Page 19 to 21.
So in page 19, what we see is that you have given him the sections.
Page
you have given
19,
him-
para 8, Your Lordship.
Para 8 is page 20. Yes, that is what that is why I'm asking you the question.
Your
You
Lordship.
see, para 8 is blank.
Yes, Your Lordship, because
I'm going to show that.
Your Lordship, the article has no pills, the gun which has been.
The arrested person, after being informed the grounds of arrest and his legal rights, were duly taken into custody. That he was told the ground of arrest.
Yes, so, and it
That
was.
he was told his legal rights.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Signature, thumbprint, attestation, something somewhere I know.
Yes,
Where
yes,
is it?
yes. So your lordship, for that record, if,
Because your this paper reveals that
Yes,
the police admit that he went to the station
yes, your lordship,
himself,
Himself.
then he was arrested.
yes, your lordship.
The other persons also, everyone from Akapa
Everyone,
Army and everybody is surrendering in the,
Surrendered themselves. Right, your lordship,
and everybody is
right. Your lordship, so, when I
looking at the
inquired,
nature of the crime, I am not very inclined to go further without being clarified as to, yes, did you tell him the ground of arrest?
your
If
lordship,
not,
so give me some time so that like at least if I can, he can send me through WhatsApp, your lordship. Because I am told that he has complied with section 48 and 47 and 48 of BNSSL while arresting the accused person. His voice has been known and accordingly intimated to
he was
his wife
arrested in
also.
June, if I am not wrong.
Yes, your lordship, he was arrested, your lordship.
He was arrested in June. This bail was filed on 10th,
Yes.
28th July. Then this bail was moved on 29/7. Then the matter was adjourned on the prayer of the learned PP. And this is the second
You
time.
want it after some time?
Yes, after
How
some
long?
time, so at least, your lordship,
End of the list?
end of the list, no?
No problem.
Wait till end.
No problem.
I'm keeping this with me right now, you take it back later on.
No problem, your lordship.
Call it after at the end of the list.
Much obliged.
For orders, item number 9.
Who appears in item 9? We are awaiting service report, respondent number 2. Huh?
Lordship.
Have you taken steps on respondent number 2?
Lordship, we have taken steps.
Anybody appearing for them? No.
No.
Then, when did you last take? You took your steps on 22/7. No, 22/7 you took your steps. So, notice was returnable in 4 weeks, 22/7, 22/8. We'll have to wait. See, the order was passed on 17/6,
Lordship.
asking you to take steps. Is it?
Yes.
You took your steps on 22/7. Notice has been issued upon respondent number 2 by registered AD, dated 23/6, 23/6, 22/7. So what, where is the respondent number 2 from?
Mokokchung.
So what, you'll take steps again or we await service report? Tell me what you want to do.
Text, fresh text, Your Lordship. Choice post 80.
You take first steps.
Lordship.
Learned counsel for the petitioner. And I heard learned counsel for the petitioner and learned PP for the state of Nagaland. When I say heard counsel for the petitioner, kindly take his name because I don't know each name you have to write down. Okay. So heard learned counsel for the petitioner and heard learned PP for the state of Nagaland. Office note reflects that the service report in respect of respondent number 2 is still awaited. Steps were issued on 23/6/2025. And the council petitioner is allowed to take fresh steps on the respondent number 2 by registered post with AD as well as usual process again. List the matter after. When will you take the steps? Within a period of
5 days, Lordship.
with a registered post with AD within a period of 5 days. List the matter after 4 weeks hence. On a date to be fixed by the registry.
Lordship, a date can be fixed, Your Lordship. Any date.
So I'm saying 5 days, I'll have it on 21st. 4 weeks is list again on 24th of September. Is it fine? Once you take fresh steps, you'll have to wait for 2-3 weeks.
Lordship.
Or you want it earlier?
Earlier, Lordship. On 17, Lordship.
On 17th of September. You just see that week part, no? The calculation, if it doesn't add up to 4 weeks, then reduce the number of weeks.
My police, Lordship.
It's a Wednesday, make it 18th.
16th, because on
18th?
my Lord, 18th.
18th, on 18th of September. Okay.
Much obliged, Lord.
Next.
For orders, item number 10 and 11.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes, yes.
Lordship, as per last order dated 12/8/2025, this honorable court please to direct the applicant's counsel to ascertain the correct address of the respondent number 3 with the insurance company, Lordship. And as per the insurance company's record, the same address as furnished in the judgment and order as well as in the MSC claim case, it is the same address the insurance company had. More so, Lordship, the contact number which is given by the respondent number 3 while insuring the vehicle, those two mobile numbers are also not working. And in that eventuality, Lordship, if paper publication may be ordered, Lordship. This is the last resort.
This is an application under Section 5 of the Limitation Act, praying for condonation of delay of 107 days in filing the connected interlocutory application number 90 of 2025. Notices were issued This is for respondent number 3.
Respondent number 3, madam.
Notices were issued on 19/6/2025, and accordingly steps have been taken by the petitioner. Stop. However, the office note reflected that the notice to the respondent number 3 was returned with addressee not found and returned to sender. On 12/8/2025, time was allowed to the General Counsel for the applicant to take instructions on the status of the respondent number 3 and his address, and today this court is informed that no other address than the one given in the MSC proceedings are available with the applicants. Full stop. The telephone numbers given therein are also not functional. Full stop. In such view of the matter, the learned counsel for the applicants pray that he may be allowed to take steps by alternative mode of paper publication. Paper publication on the respondent number 3. Prayer is allowed. The applicants are to take steps by alternative mode of paper publication in two newspapers.
Lordship.
Two newspapers having circulation, two local newspapers having circulation at the
Jorhat.
At the last known address of the respondent number 3.
Lordship.
Local circulation.
Lordship.
List the matter after 2 weeks of publication of notice in the newspaper as aforesaid. Okay? We'll correct the order whatever is required.
Lordship. 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 Highly honored.
For orders, item number 12.
May I please, the Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, as per office dated 23/7/25, service report is still awaited upon respondent number 1 to 4.
Who are the respondents?
Raymond, if you should.
Oh. When did you take steps?
Twenty-four.
23 7 days his service report is awaited. Today is 14/8. The office note dated 23/7/2025 reflects the service of notice issued upon respondent number 124 by registered AD was awaited. Registry to verify service and give updated and list the matter along with updated report on, we'll keep it when 26th. Maybe they have been served by now, I don't know. Huh? 2 weeks? After 2 weeks.
For orders, item number 13.
One, 6, and 7. Anybody appearing for 2, 3, 5? No.
So far, not yet, Lordship.
The office note says service of notice issued upon respondents 1, 6, and 7 is awaited. So what happens to the next? Office note dated 31/7/2025 reflects that the service report on that the service of notice issued upon respondent number 1, 6, and 7 are awaited. However, the report for other respondents is not available, nor has anybody, nor has any appearance been entered on their behalf. Registry to verify the service of notice on the respondent numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, and put up a note accordingly. Next, await service report on respondent number 1, 6, and 7. They are giving half notes. You don't have a Lozima court here.
Lordship,
Lozima court hota hai, sir? No. In the principal bench, we have a Lozima court where the deputy registrar looks into whether the service is complete or not.
okay.
Saves a lot of time for the bench. No? Yes. List after 2 weeks.
For orders, item number 14.
14. Yes. Same order as before, but here it will be service of notice issued upon respondent number 1 and 4. Okay. You will make it 1 and 4. Where is the order? Registry to verify service of notice on 2 and 3. 1 and 4 they have given a note, 2 and 3 we will see. And list after 2 weeks.
For orders, item number 15.
1, 5. We are finishing the list. There's one hearing. Yes.
Notice still awaited here also, Lordship.
Heard Mr. So-and-so, London Council appearing for the applicants. Await service of notice on the respondents. List after 2 weeks.
For hearing, item number 19.
Yes, so case for 19. Yes.
Please, Your Lordship. My Lord. Counsel for state respondents not around.
No issues. You are the counsel for the petitioner. In his absence, make hay while the sun shines. Huh?
Actually,
take advantage of his absence.
Actually, this morning we have discussed and we
That
have
you would be taking time.
No. We'll be taking up the matter.
That you will be taking or you will not?
Taking up the matter. We'll go for hearing.
So start. We'll wait. We'll see when he comes. What is the difficulty? Yes.
Yes.
What is the matter about brief?
My Lord, the brief of the case is that the petitioner is praying for appointment on land ownership basis in lieu of the land donated by my family, my Lord, way back in the year 2003, my Lord.
Just before we go further, I'll just tell you one thing. I'm not very familiar with that part of the law here, this appointment on land ownership.
Yes.
If there is any office memorandum or anything,
Yes, my Lord. Yes, there is, my Lord.
Thoroughly.
Annexure C, my Lord.
C, yes. What does it say?
Page number 16. My Lord, I'll take your Lordship to close 3. Close 3.
No, we'll go through the whole of it. I'm not very familiar with it. I'll read the whole of it.
May I read the entire
Yes.
OM, my Lord? This is OM dated 16 August 2018, number so-and-so. In spite of repeated direction from the state government, many departments are not adhering to the government rules policy with regard to land donated by individuals, communities, villages, etc. with the conditions for employment to government service or contractual works or other facilities on land ownership basis. All concerned departments are once again reminded to take note of the following and to strictly comply with the land lay-down rules or policy. 1A. It has been laid down white notification number so-and-so dated 26/7/2005 that no land shall be acquired free of cost and all land shall be acquired on payment of full compensation as determined by law. No further condition of employment in service or contractual works should be entertained. Therefore, in case any department has entered any agreement with the landowners in deviation of the land laid-down policy on or after 26/7/2005, such agreement shall be treated as null and void. The department concerned shall take necessary action according to nullity such agreement be. In case the department concerned is of the view that agreement should not be declared null and void, it shall refer it with relevant details giving justification to the Department of Land Revenue for examination and advice in consultation with PNAR and Law and Justice, Justice and Law Department, and thereafter submit the matter for consideration and decision of the Cabinet. 2. All cases where administrative headquarters and block headquarters were set up in various parts of the state on land donated freely by individuals, villages, or people of that area should not be reopened for compensation or for employment or other facilities in consonance with the policy brought out white memorandum numbers so-and-so, dated 26, dated so-and-so, 3A, my Lord.
Okay, we have read it now.
Yes.
Yes, then what happened? When did you donate your land?
Yes, free of cost, my Lord.
When?
29/5/2003, my Lord. Yes, there is an agreement which I have annexed here, A, page number 13, my Lord.
Yes, kindly
and
read.
type copy is at page 14, my Lord.
Kindly read.
Yes, my Lord. This agreement is made between El Vinito, son of late Vichung Lee of Yangzitong village under Seujong subdivision, hereinafter called the first party, and the police department, hereinafter called the second party, in regard to the plot of land located at Seujong town. That the first party agreed to give a plot of land free of cost to the second party with which are bounded by northwest so and so, my lord. And last part is the first party declared that the land is free from all encumbrance and that the first party shall have no claim to the rights of the land whatsoever from the date of signing this agreement, my lord. And here the police department is the concerned department. And here, my lord, my grandfather has donated the land for the establishment of police outpost at Seotung town, my lord. Now upgraded to police station, my lord. Yes, my lord. And my lord, here I've made an application to the department for appointment, for my appointment and on land ownership basis, and the same has been forwarded to the respondent number 3. However, till that my case for appointment has not been considered, and there is a certificate from the administration that the land has been donated free of cost without, and so far the petition, my family has not been allowed any contractual works or any other compensation. Yes, my lord. And now here the government has state respondent have filed the reply, and they've admitted to the fact that I've donated the land for establishment of the police station where the office is still standing on my land, my lord. Yes. And this is a simple case that my case has been covered by all.
Taken a stand. Kindly come to that OM again. Can we have the OM again? It was at page 20 or 16.
Page number
16. So,
my lord, may I continue reading with clause 3A, my lord?
Yes.
3A, my lord. In other cases prior to 26/7/2005 and subsequent to setting up of administrative and block headquarters on freely donated land, whereas a specific written/oral agreement exists providing for employment or other facilities to the landowner, the claim of landowner for employment or other facilities, the department concerned shall refer the matter to the Deputy Commissioner of the district concerned, who shall examine such claim carefully, including whether any employment or any other facilities, including contract or supply works, had been given in the past. Written statement from the witnesses, that is, government officials of the department concerned, district administration and village functionaries present at the time of such written or oral agreement should be given by the Deputy Commissioner. The recommendation of the Deputy Commissioner shall be referred with relevant documents explanation to the Department of Land Revenue for examination and approval. B. It is also clarified that it is not the policy of the government to provide employment or other facilities to the landowner in perpetuity. The employment or other facilities of landowner, if permitted by a verifiable and valid agreement, it is limited to the person first appointed as landowner in government services and does not entitle his descendant for further employment or other facilities on his retirement from service, vacates the post. After the appointed landowner retires or vacates the post, the vacancy will be filled up through open advertisement and consonance with the existing government policy, giving equal opportunity to all applicants, my lord. So, my lord, so far I've donated the land, but appointment, no any other opportunity has been given to me. Yes, and my case is covered by this OM, my lord.
Yes, we agree it is covered. Now, if we come back to 3A again, the clause 3A you are reading, in other cases prior to 26/7/2025 and subsequent to setting up of so and so on freely donated land, where a specific written or oral agreement exists. Now, in your agreement which you have annexed,
yes, ma'am,
which the respondents also admit in their affidavit in opposition,
yes, ma'am,
the agreement is accepted and admitted.
yes,
but there is no clause to say that you are giving the land and therefore you would be, the government also agrees to give you some service or job in lieu thereof.
Yes, my lord.
Is it there in the
My
agreement?
lord, in the agreement,
Yes.
it has not been mentioned, but
So it has to be an oral agreement,
yes, my
which is
yes.
also provided for in this
OM.
OM, where is
Yes.
it? Where is it? The
OM,
OM again? Yes.
3A, my lord.
Where a specific written or oral agreement exists.
Yes.
Now, is there any sentence in your writ petition or your affidavit in reply saying that you had an oral agreement with the persons who had taken your land? If there is an oral agreement, what is the procedure to be followed? The procedure which will then follow is again given. See, the department concerned shall refer the matter to the deputy commissioner of the district concerned, who shall examine such claim carefully. Written statement from the witnesses, that is government officials of the department concerned, will be taken. So this all process can be done only once you insist that you donated the land, number one.
Yes.
That there was either a written or a verbal agreement to give you a job.
Yes.
That you had made an application for implementation of that agreement, oral or verbal.
Yes.
And then the deputy commissioner will take up the matter. If possible, they'll give you a job, or rather they have to give you a job. Now, where is that statement that there is an agreement for job? In the absence of that particular statement, will you have any right under the OM? Because I have gone through your writ, I failed to find that sentence. See, what we will do, we can read it together also. Petitioner is a citizen of India, instant matter arises out of non-consideration. Mention may be made that appointment of landowners can be made. Petitioner's grandfather, a petitioner's family donated.
Yes, ma'am.
Then you say at that paragraph, to which agreement bearing number so and so was executed between the petitioner, grandfather and the state respondent. So you don't say there is an oral agreement or a verbal agreement, right?
Yes.
You have not stated anywhere that
Yes.
there was a specific verbal agreement at the time of donation of the land.
Yes, my lord. I've not made a statement. However, my lord, agreement is there.
Agreement
The
does not say that.
Yes,
does not
agreement
say-
it does not say, but
Then-
it follows by the state respondent, my lord. Yes.
Show me something that without such an agreement, without such condition there being in the agreement, the state still follows. Show me any one example. We are trying to help you. I need one sentence. I'll give the direction to the respondents to consider your case in accordance with the agreement. But if you have to show me some example that yes, even in this case there was no agreement, yet the government moved forward to give the land. Because the OM says where a specific written or oral agreement exists providing for employment, that agreement has to be for providing for employment. Any agreement quoting that land has been donated, I don't think that will suffice the requirements of the OM. You are appealing for the government? Can you explain, ma'am, when a man gives up a land, knowing that on giving up the land he gets a job? Now, these are naive people. These are people who are ready to give up a plot of land for the sake of a job. Probably not very well educated or well armed with the niceties of law. You make an agreement that we are taking your land free of cost. No one gives it free of cost. There's something hanging with it.
Yes, sir.
Simply because it is not written down in the agreement
Yes.
that we will also offer you a job. Or simply because there is no statement made as of today in the writ petition because the grandfather died, he does not know whether there was an oral agreement or not. Can you still say that no, you did not have an agreement for employment and therefore we will not even consider your case? Can you do that?
No,
You are the state, mighty state, huh? You are the mighty state. You have all the power in your hands.
No, Lordship, without agreement, we cannot, Lordship.
Without agreement.
Lordship. There is agreement, however, Lordship,
there is no anything mentioned to provide.
That is what I'm saying. Way back in 2003, when his grandfather donated the land.
Yes, yes. However, it was free of cost.
Why? Why would anybody give free of cost? We don't have that many patriots in India as of today. There must have been some reason why he gave that plot of land free of cost. Some explanation. Either there was a verbal assurance or there was an understanding. Because what I'm trying to say is the petitioner's grandfather gave a plot of land in 2003. Petitioner definitely would not have known what are the terms and conditions at that point of time. So whatever was required to sign, whatever agreement was required to be signed.
My lord, in the said agreement.
What is your grandfather's name?
Vinito, my lord.
Vinito. Where is his signature in the agreement? Where is his signature in the agreement eligible first party? Okay, he signed it. So he must have known what he's signing.
My lord, it's covered by the seal. On the
I understand.
Yes.
He has signed it.
First-
It is not his thumb impression. He has signed it.
Yes, he has signed it.
If he has signed it, he did not make any agreement with the government. He did not make any agreement with the government.
Yes, my lord.
Your grandfather did not make any agreement with the government that someone will be given a job.
But my lord, this agreement is suffice that my land, my grandfather's donated the land. And here it also mentioned that the land was donated without receiving any monetary benefit. Yes. Keeping in mind that.
Very public spirited person.
And actually,
He's a very public spirited person. He wants to help the public. Also a very honest man. He wants all recruitment to be done through proper mode. He does not want
And
job.
moreover, Seochung is a town where it has been located in the remotest area from the state capital.
But these are not grounds taken in your writ petition or your affidavit in reply. If you had given one sentence in your affidavit in reply that your grandfather had a oral agreement,
yes, my lord.
then maybe that inquiry by the deputy commissioner as to what were the statement of the witnesses, what happened when your grandfather was there, when the transaction took place.
My lord,
Witnesses, some witnesses, affidavits, they agreed, verbal agreement that job will be
nowhere
given.
in the agreement it has been stated that the job will be.
I'm saying that if you had given that sentence in your writ petition or your affidavit in reply, that looks at there was a verbal agreement, therefore it is not written.
Yes, my lord.
So we could have asked them to conduct an inquiry.
My lord,
But without the sentence, how can we?
Here, the administration has clearly certified that the land was donated by the petitioner.
True, there
Yes,
is,
my
there
lord,
is
yes.
no dispute about it. But let us again come back to that OM. Let us come back to that OM. 3A. What does 3A say? What does 3A say? In cases prior to 26/7/05, where specific written or oral agreement exists providing for employment,
Yes.
the department will refer the matter to the deputy commissioner. Now you need a specific written or oral agreement providing for employment. Written, there is nothing.
Yes.
You have not made an assertion that there was a verbal agreement. Tell me how I can help you. You are Nol A Sanctum.
Yes, ma'am.
You are 23 years old.
Yes, ma'am.
So the land was donated when you were 3 years old.
Yes.
Why don't your grandfather is alive or?
No, my lord,
He's
he's
not
no
there
more.
anymore.
Even my father is no more.
Anyone in the family?
Yes,
Any?
here my
I'll
father,
just-
my father is the witness.
I'll give you one hint of what I'm trying to tell you for the last half an hour.
Yes.
Some elder in your family may know whether there is a verbal agreement at that time or not. Because you were a child of 3 years, it is impossible for you to know. But someone elder in your family may know, and if something like that is before the court, maybe the court can look into it and say that yes, you deserve an inquiry. But if the elders in your family says that there is no agreement, verbal also,
Yes.
then you don't have a case. So why don't you take some advice from your elders in the family whether there was a verbal agreement or not? Otherwise, I have to dismiss it. If today I am taking it up as it is, I am dismissing it.
Lordship, as per office record, there is no record or oral evidence in the department.
No, oral evidence, you will take your evidence once he makes an assertion that there was an oral agreement. Then you will go and look out for the seniors in the village, no? Do you know about an oral agreement? Record for that oral agreement will come from where? Once he makes that assertion. Till now he has not said that there is a verbal agreement. When did he say so?
My lord,
Yes.
I may be granted 3 weeks time and allow me to file additional affidavit. If I'll take instruction, if there is any, then I'll file in the form of affidavit, my lord.
How much time do you want?
2 weeks, my lord.
Lordship, objection, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, in support of my submission, I would like to rely on this judgment of the Lordship.
Yes.
Similar facts and circumstances, Lordship. The Honorable Court has dismissed.
No, here the facts were different. Here, what I find is that the petitioner had challenged the appointment of respondent number 5, saying that I was the landowner, I should have been given the appointment, you cannot have some other people appointed in a office which was donated by my family or my clan. The court said no, it was a regular selection process, you did not have any written agreement for land, you never raised your claim before that, and therefore we do not find any merit in your okay, have you given him a copy of this? You know about this judgment, sir? You know about this judgment? May take a note.
Yes.
WPC number 136 of 2024.
Also, along with his loss of
The writ appeal, na? Writ appeal? What is it? The writ appeal.
Oh, my lord, she can place,
These are similar matters.
she can place at the time of final. So for today, kindly allow me 2 weeks time.
She is doing you a favor. She is giving you her weapons. You can get your armor ready. She is helping you. Which paragraph you want me to read on this, madam? Yes, madam. Which paragraph you want me to read?
Lordship, 13.
30.
13 of the WPC 136, paragraph 13.
Paragraph 13.
Lordship.
Agreement clearly the agreement for the release of no agreement was made with regard to giving appointment on therefore the other consider no right flows to the landowners who have donated
13, 14, 15.
Agreement will also indicate the same before the affidavit it has not been shown before the competent authority. Form of an affidavit here also.
May I please the Lordship? Maybe a lot to interrupt.
You are appearing for respondent number?
No, I am not responsible. I am from the government advocate, but I just want to clarify on this WA, Your Lordship. How this writ petition came, this appeal came about, Your Lordship.
No, I read it. I read para 13 and 14. I understand.
Yeah, Your Lordship. There was rampant appointment, Your Lordship, on the basis of land ownership, and that's why, Your Lordship, this honorable court gave a direction to brought out a comprehensive policy so that at least there
Which
will
is
be
the
a
policy?
system. This is by this order the
The
notification.
2015
Yes.
18 notification.
Yes.
So
Came into
there,
play,
why
Your
did
Lordship.
you, there in the notification, if you are so concerned about this rampant appointment, why did you put a provision for specific written oral agreement?
Yes, Your Lordship. That's why, Your Lordship. Because
So everybody will come and now say that we have an oral agreement.
Yes, Your Lordship. Yes, but here, as far as the case is concerned, I think there is no oral, and if we allow the petition to give the opportunity to the petitioner to inquire whether the elders knows about there was an oral, then I think it will alter the whole fact of the
But
case.
my
I
lord,
think,
here,
Your
how
Lordship, that
she is
will be an
making
afterthought.
her submission? She is not in the case, my
Yes,
lord.
Your
She is not in the case.
So for the government it happens, government acts very big and strong, but when they need to defend the government, have you gone through the judgment? There is one judgment, Dipali Sulwase. I think it's 2017 or something, so it's a service matter case where the Honorable Supreme Court notes that the government can engage the best of the counsels to prolong the agony of the petitioner. So, but she's not arguing the matter, she's just. So, sir, in the absence of that verbal agreement, what do we do? Tell us.
My lord, I will ascertain from the petitioner.
But with the objections which have been put up by the respondents, it will not be fair for me to allow you 2 weeks, 3 weeks time on that. What I can do is, you have not gone through these judgments.
No.
So you go through these judgments, WPC 136 of 2024 and writ appeal number 18K of 2013.
Yes.
You go through these judgments, we'll keep it part heard and fixed on 18th, Monday. You have 3 days holiday, you take time, you go through it. 18th, if you can bring me any answer on these 2 judgments, then we'll hear you further, or otherwise we'll dispose it of either which ways. Will that do?
My prayer is that if your lordship may kindly allow 2 weeks time so that I can take instruction from the petitioner and if necessary,
Thing is,
I'll file.
what is already there in the pleading after the filing of the affidavit in reply.
Yes.
It is only in exceptional circumstances that I can allow an additional affidavit to clarify something here.
That is.
In your entire pleadings, not one word about any agreement. And now with these judgments which are placed
There-
before me, I am bound.
My lord, at para 6 I've given.
What have you said? Yes, show us. 6, what have you said?
May I read the entire para, my lord?
No. Not the entire paragraph. No, you have not made any statement. It will just be a waste of time.
May I read, my lord? That para 6.
Yes.
That mention may be made in that since statehood, it is established policy of the state government that landowner were being appointed to any grateful post on land ownership basis. The state responding from time to time issue
No,
administration.
that policy changed with 2018 after rate appeal number
Yes, that
18
is
of
true.
13, no? It changed
Yes.
totally.
Yes,
Once it
but
changes-
my lord, allow me to complete this para, my lord, kindly please.
Do.
Yes, whereby by the office memorandum bearing number so and so dated 16/8/2018 issued by respondent number 2 and on perusal of the state office memorandum and especially at para 3A and 3B, it is clearly stipulated that the landowners who had donated free of cost for setting up administrative or block headquarters where specific written or oral agreement exists providing for employment or other facilities to the landowner, the claim of the land ownership shall be examined. So, my lord, here I have given my.
You have not said that there was an agreement and that has not been adhered to. The best I can do is have it fixed on Monday for you to go through these judgments, try to find your way out of the judgments.
Yes.
Otherwise, I am bound both by the coordinate bench and the writ appeal. Both. There is a single bench judgment of 2024-25, most recent, and this 2018 judgment. I am bound by them. So, please take down. Mr. You are?
El Likhase Sanctam, my lord.
L. Likhase Sanctam, learned counsel for the petitioner.
Yes.
Also heard
Pichalagitam,
learned government advocate.
Lordship.
Nagaland. After the matter was heard at some length, learned counsel for the petitioner prays that the matter may be taken up on Monday to allow him to prepare on the judgments relied upon by the learned counsel for the state. List this matter again on 18/8/2025 as a part of matter. Thank you.
For
The bail.
admission.
Huh?
For admission, item number 5.
Yes, the bail. Yes, ma'am. Anything updated?
Yes, Your Lordship, I received, but Your Lordship, it's little bit illegible.
We'll
Your
read
Lordship,
it.
I
You-
can read it. Yeah.
Please, we'll read it.
The format for information ground of arrest in compliance with the Constitution. and
Acknowledged
the Conduct.
by the acknowledgement by the arrested person, I so and so have
was-
been informed, conveyed about the basic fact constituting the grounds of my arrest in a language I understand.
He
That
was
is
made to
Nagamese,
understand in
and I
Nagamese.
acknowledge the receipt of this document. Signature, thumb impression of the arrested person. Yes, sir.
My lord, if lordship permits me,
Yes.
I have obtained through application, and this document will show, this is court seal. This document will show in respect others that have shown ground of arrest. In my case, I am accused number 3.
Please.
Lordship will just see, in my case, ground of arrest is not reflected, not disclosed. I have made accused 1, accused 2, accused 3, 4. I'm accused 3. In respect of accused 1 and 2, they have shown ground of arrest.
Yes, ma'am, why you are you are accused 3.
Accused 3. In my case, there is no ground of arrest furnished to me nor formulated.
Yes, ma'am, how do you have different formats for different people?
That is the manipulation.
So, Your
That's what I'm
Lordship-
going to say.
Notice of information of ground of arrest under section 49 BNSS,
47, yes.
47 BNSS, you are giving grounds of arrest. You
Yes,
are
these are-
being arrested for alleged information so and so, so and so.
Yes.
In here, format for information of grounds, why do you have two
I mean,
different formats?
Your Lordship, I think it will be good if we can call the records and maybe.
This is the official record I obtained through
That's why,
court
Your
seal.
Lordship.
It's through court seal.
That's why, Your Lordship, the official record, that can also be brought up and.
Can
we
it be
ask for-
different?
No.
Will it be different?
It should not be different, but
You want
there
to go
should be
through
an explanation to that, Your Lordship, because right now, seeking this information also, I got it through WhatsApp, so it can come up on maybe.
You understand what we are trying to say?
Yes, yes, I got it, Your Lordship.
The
Accused
thing
1 and
is,
accused
for
1.
everybody else,
Yes, except mine.
basis of grounds of, although that if you, can I show this to him?
Yeah.
No, sure, I did.
You have another copy of
No,
it?
this one I have, but the copy which the.
No, he can just go through it. Do you have another copy or this is the only copy?
Yes, I got it.
Please show it to him just, if you can. You see, sir, here also it is format for information of grounds of arrest in compliance with the constitutional mandate under Article 22(1) of the Constitution and statutory provisions under Section 47 BNSS. Can we read? I, UBSI so and so. Then
He is the IO of the case.
the basis of the following grounds of arrest. You are being arrested for involvement in the abduction of Jaswant.
He came before the police station and surrendered himself. And on that day, Your Lordship,
Oh
all
no,
these things
ma'am,
were
no,
obtained.
oh no, ma'am, I think.
So,
My lord, even here, if lordship permits me, even here, ground of arrest is not mentioned in my case.
Yes, you are being arrested for involvement in the abduction of Mr. Jaswant
Yes,
Kumar
my lord.
Tagore.
My
And
lord,
extorting rupees 12 lakhs from the owner of so and so for release of the hostage on the intervening day of 3/6 around 3 p.m. from so and so. It is written.
there are different formats. Only officially I obtain all this.
now, Your
From the
Lordship, how
court?
did the accused got
Officially,
arrested?
I applied.
This
I
is
applied
the
through court.
this is the same format
Yes,
as given for accused number 4. It is exactly the same format.
I'm accused 3.
Accused 4 also has
Yeah,
the
exactly.
exact same format.
Accused 3, accused 4, accused 2, accused 1, same.
No,
Format
no.
is slightly different. Formats are different.
No, you have another copy of this with you.
Otherwise, the original records
See,
can be
1
called
and
for.
2, 1 and 2,
Why
1 and
not
2 are exactly same. 3 and 4 are exactly same. Only the print is different.
My lord, at a time of applying through this CTC, that one through, because record will speak, I have applied through CTC. That time this was not available. So this, my suspicion is manipulated. Because the record will speak that I have submitted my application duly signed by the judge.
When can you get the records?
Since it's Dimapur, maybe Your Lordship, if Wednesday division, so try stay, Your Lordship, so that the person can, through a special messenger, they can give the original records, all the original records. We'll place it, Your Lordship. I think that. So
These
that
records are available at the police station or with the
all
magistrate.
at the time of arrest, because it's still at the stage of investigation, so all the records, whichever is available before the police, IO, we will just.
No,
bring it, Your Lordship.
you don't get all the records. You get scanned copies or true copies or
No,
what?
Your Lordship, now,
Because
my
if you,
my
if you
senior
bring the
cons-
records, if you bring the records, the investigation is stalled.
No, the problem is my senior counsel is like having doubts with the credibility of this document. So it will be good.
Let us do
Like,
it this way, sir. You compare this document that has been given to us.
and I also have to see that document because I don't have that. I have not access to that thing.
Let us do it this way, sir. 3 days more for your client.
Lordship will see with due, in my respectful submission, with due respect to all, she is not responsible. At the time of applying for this, had this been existed, should have been provided to me through what I applied. By now, if they have inserted this, if they planted this, then the police will say that this is already in existence. But at the time of applying CTC through court,
What did you apply
this was,
for?
yes,
What did
we
you
applied.
apply for?
Very much. It's part of the report. We can get it.
Let the
Because we have submitted the
lower
report.
court case can also be called for. Because they have applied for bail. All the record will be in the PIU court also. So that can also be called
When
for.
is the matter next? Is it fixed for appearance on any other day? Can you find out?
Richard, that also we need to find. I mean,
It'll be in the port of Dimapur. It's in Dimapur again.
it's in Dimapur. So.
See, this is a very
Lordship,
why I'm trying to look into it is you are making a very big allegation that the police is manipulating records. If that is the case, we'll go very deep into it.
That is what, my lord, I am very simple. The day we applied for that, whatever available on record, that was provided to us through court seal. And today we have seen that this is a new document. Had this document been there at the time of my application, this should be furnished to me. So that is my whole ground and my whole argument is based on that. That grounds of information has not been formulated nor supplied to me. Now if they insert this, then the very purpose of filing these bails is forfeited. So therefore, in a similarly situated case, Justice Devashish Barua had passed this judgment recently.
Please, let us see.
Because there also controversy arose. So CD was called. CD says otherwise.
CD, what did it say?
This entire CD was reflected by Justice Devashish Barua in this case. In this case, my lord, in this Justice Devashish Barua's case, it's murder case, 302.
So be it, no difficulty.
So case diary was called for.
In your case also the case diary was called for, but
I don't know.
PP is only armed with a...
Your Lordship, that's why it can be called for, because last time, Your Lordship, I sought for 1 week.
But being 15th of August will give you a leeway. I am getting this listed on the 19th.
No problem, Your Lordship, because
So
it's
we do
just
it
for
this way.
assisting the court. but-
We just do it this way. We'll fix it on 19th, Tuesday. Are you here? Tuesday we'll fix it.
Okay.
We are going to note down that you are not, that the updated CD as required for in the earlier orders is not being
Lordship,
placed before the court.
Yes,
Because
Your
it is from 29/7.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Right. So we'll record that. We'll say that either up-to-date CD on 19th or the IO appears along with all the records on 19th.
Yes. Because
On
I think-
21st.
Yeah, no problem, whichever.
Because the day,
Updated CD, I think it will be.
for the
Your
sake of
Lordship,
repetition.
Actually, what happened is that I sought for 1 week, Your Lordship, because last week I could not able to. So I sought for 1 week, but was overlooking the cause list. But since at that time I could not able to obtain the CD, but they insisted that it should be taken today, and because of that hassle, we could obtain only the status report. That is the thing, Your Lordship. There is no
Lordship
misleading,
will
Your Lordship.
appreciate this bail was filed on 28 July. This is 14 August. I am not delaying.
We were hoping when we took it up on 11th.
Yes.
We told you that we will try to have some independence
We want to
on
see-
Independence Day.
We want to see
Unfortunately,
we want to see why they did not provide if there was such document existed that time.
Your Lordship,
Now
that
they
will be-
can insert this just to defeat the very purpose of filing this bail application.
So that we don't know, because I called them up to send me the document they sent.
I'm
That's it.
telling you this, ma'am. I try to be very cordial in the court. I
Yes,
try to
no
be
problem.
very accommodating in the
No
court.
problem.
But if we find that any machinery of the state is trying to manipulate anything,
Yes.
It will defeat
which
the-
we assure ourselves again and again that the state is honest.
That's true, that's
But
true.
if
Yeah, if
any
that-
person tries to break that trust, this court
If
will
that
not
is
be
the
very easy on him.
Definitely. If that is the issue, then Your Lordship, I will leave it to you, Lordship. But at
Because
this
from what
point,
I see,
am
yes,
also not- yeah.
the only thing that is troubling me is this. If this has come from the court,
Through
then
court, through
then
court
the-
seal.
then the ground of arrest is not available in the court record.
That's why, Your Lordship, the record will also be in the PI court. So I think we can obtain, I think we could also
that
have
is
the
what,
seal.
that is why I'm having it fixed on 19th.
Because usually it used to go into the PI court.
Now
also.
we'll have it on the 19th,
Yes, I'll make it endeavor, Your
on
Lordship.
Tuesday.
Yes, for judicial
On
solution.
Tuesday, if this record, if we find that this was not a part of the record of the PI court or whatever,
Then I'll
otherwise,
leave it to you. That's it, yeah.
otherwise, if the court has not given you a copy which was not available, it is the court, we will not take any steps. Heard, Mr.
Ajo, my lord.
ASO, learned counsel for the petitioner, and heard learned PP. The heard, ma'am, your name, I miss
Livika,
your-
Your Lordship.
Huh?
Livika, Your Lordship.
Livika. Learned PP appearing for the state. While on the one hand, the learned counsel for the petitioner has produced certified copies of records available in the PI code with regard to the PS case number 87 of 2025. What is this?
Your Lordship, Your Lordship, my humble suggestion is that why don't a direction be given to the PI? Because in order to create transparency, because here the question of credibility has arisen.
I'm coming to that. I'm
Let the
coming to
PI, not me, but let the PI themselves, produce the
the
record.
Yes,
So that for transparency, Your Lordship,
what did you
because
say?
it involves the credibility, Your Lordship.
What did I say? PI code with regard to GR 281 of 2025 regarding the certified copies of the documents available, so and so. On the other hand, learned PP has appeared with a case status report submitted to her on 12/8/2025 by the officer in charge, East Police Station, Dimapur, Nagaland, which status report was originally addressed to the Principal District and Session Judge, Dimapur, Nagaland. The learned PP has also produced a formatted document regarding informing the accused of his grounds of arrest. Full stop. List this matter on 19th of August 2025, requiring the learned PP to ensure the production of the up-to-date CD in the matter. Full stop. The learned officer in charge, PI code. You call it PI code here. What do you call it?
PI code, it's PI code.
The learned officer, the officer in charge of the PI court, Dimapur,
Yes, Dimapur.
shall also make arrangements for production of the records of GR number 281. 281 is it? GR number 281.
GR 281, my lord.
GR 281 of 2025 in this court on the next date fixed.
Your Lordship, let the registry take steps on that, because just,
And a copy of this order be forwarded to the officer in charge PI Court Dimapur by the registry for information and compliance. List again on 19/8/2025.
yes, I think that would be more.
Can we keep this as a, in the records?
Yes,
Can we-
no problem.
No difficulty?
No,
Yes, sir.
Because these are not the CDs, these are
Yes,
only
I think,
up-to-date
no
status
problem.
reports. Sir.
Up to date will be.
Where did you say here that this confusion came up? This is the judgment of Justice Barua.
My lord.
This judgment says that if the ground of arrest is not given
Correct.
in writing, then everything goes.
no.
But where was the confusion?
The submission of the Landed Council that time, PP, was that he was informed. But when CD was produced, there was no, in the contemporaneous record is not available.
Here also? Does he
In the contemporaneous record, nothing was available, that ground of arrest was informed. Because the contention was that ground of arrest was informed, not informed. So when the Justice Barua called for the entire case diary, it was not available in contemporary record that ground of arrest was served. That is the issue.
So we asked for updated CD or the
Entire CD.
Entire,
CD?
Your Lordship,
Entire CD.
so for transparency, Your Lordship, because now
So
as
do we say updated CD or
up to
should we
date CD
say
as well as a record, Your Lordship, so that.
up-to-date CD as well as records? See, I was not very conversant with calling for these kind of documents in Gauhati, so a little here and there.
Some interesting has I have noticed now. So at that day I'll make my submission.
Anything more, sir? Done? List here is very easy, huh?
We should come with a judicious conclusion, so
Yes.
definitely.
Yes, yes.
Your Lordship,
I
I'll
have,
assist the-
just now I have noticed something more.
Yeah, no problem, no problem.
Let it be stored up for the persons who have,
Yes.
who can answer it.
Much.
Thank you.
Much obliged. You can keep the rest for 2000.
I'll just say, madam. Galdi no.
Hello, awe, puko, Vincent, Mullo, Tushi, anyone around, awele?